Hello everyone, and this is the unboxing for the portable power supply, AZEUS, or however you pronounce it, AZEUS, 48,000 mAh and 178 WH. Model number is BS200A. What came in the box was, I bought that separately. These wires go for a solar panel. This is all bought from Amazon, mind you. And there's the box for a little power supply or a solar generator. What's in this box is actually all you get when you purchase just the generator itself, or a power supply, whatever you want to call it. It has the very basic functions. I'm going to try to get a zoom in on this. It has power, AC, your 25, 50, 75, and 100 for how much of a charge you have. Then your USB plugs up there. The middle round hole is for your charger port when you want to charge it up. And that is an AC outlet down the bottom. There's your flashlight. And those two white bars are lights. And it came about 60% full charge. Double tap and the lights in the front come on. Double tap and they go off. Single tap, the flashlight goes on. Tap it again, and it goes to strobe. Tap it again, and it's an SOS signal. Tap it again and it's off. You can turn the USBs or the AC port off through the top. The same way you turned it on, just pushing little buttons. Very simple to use, lightweight. I'll update my review on Amazon after I get a little time in on it. I hope this helped someone out. If it did, please give me a thumbs up. What comes in this little black box is, here's a big surprise for you. Sarcasm, gotta love it. A little card telling you can get a free gift if you do whatever it says on it. The basic user's manual. Don't turn it on and stick it inside of a tub with you. Basic common sense as far as I'm concerned. And the charger for it, so you can plug it into your wall and charge it if you don't happen to have a solar panel to go with it. I hope this was helpful, and thank you.